box. I did get this the other day, and I did get billed a little bit earlier this month. Thank God. Like, and so I got it a little bit earlier. Yeah.
We're filming back-to-back videos. So I just yes, in the same outfits. That is why.
I just don't get why some months they like send it so late. But anyway,
oh gosh, there's stuff on the outside.
It's got some extra stuff on the outside. I just won't. Maybe I'll give you one of these since there's like 2 of them. But it says vital proteins, peptide, collagen. Is it a drink? I'm guessing.
Yeah, I think he poured in a
grass-fed, pasture-raised.
Hair and nail support.
Oh, does it have like? I'm always interested in stuff like this.
1 packet with 8 fluid ounces liquid, mixed thoroughly.
Yeah, it has bovine high collagen peptides. I'm like,
I'm just gonna throw it in my purse down there. Okay.
And okay, let's see here. I have a thing for Geico that, you know. If I can get the box out, same kind of usual color that we usually have. I think you guys probably already saw that. And it looks like this inside.
Reese's themed, my favorite thing. It says poolside, so
yeah. We're going on vacation, hopefully in August around our birthday. Not very far though, just about an hour out. So I'll give her this to look at, or if she wants to read any of it. And otherwise, like this. Okay. This is interesting. Okay, this is I think it's Seed Phytonutrients Moisture Conditioner. If I'm saying that right, is it by Seed Phytonutrients?
Looks like, yeah. It's full size. I like how it tells you it is in this one. $18.
That's nice.
I know. I was like, that's nice. I like that. I was like, shoot.
Even though my hair is like, I get it trimmed, so it's kind of like shorter. I still use like a grip. Well, especially because it's like blonde. I use a grip of conditioner, like a lot.
My hair is really frizzy at the end.
And then I have Neobay, natural and organic, #principles,
it's full
freedom,
size too.
Low pH hemp and green tea
cleanser.
general cleanser.
Yeah, it's a cleanser.
Sorry.
$18.20 for that normally.
I'm trying to get it so it's not like
so
shining, but
cleanser in both your boxes. So that's cool. I always tell her she has extra cleansers, powders, or CC creams.
I know we're supposed to go through my stuff together because I've got like a bajillion things, and then I still buy more even though I have a whole bunch and don't need it. I just want it, and Lord blesses me so I can have it. So I'm like, this is, let's see,
Piliani. Is that how you say it?
Yeah,
that sounds good. I don't know if that's right.
It's antioxidant-rich face oil. Good for a 15-day daily skin ritual, morning and night use.
It says a full size is $62, and then it says deluxe mini 3 milliliters worth 8. So I guess that's the deluxe mini, yeah.
And then this is Piper White, or is that how you say it? Piper White, Piper White. I actually have their deodorant in my medicine cabinet right here. This must be a little sample of it.
Yes, it says deluxe mini, but geez. It says rubbing his skin with fingers until completely clear. Reapply after bathing and exercise. What does it do?
Yeah, it's deodorant with activated charcoal. Yeah,
I'm jealous.
So I literally have some in my cupboard, but it's a bigger jar. I use all kinds of deodorants as long as it doesn't have like the aluminum, so kind of like the more natural ones. So, and then Josephine, am I saying that right?
I think so.
Josephine.
It's a liquid highlighter.
Natural flawless liquid highlighter. Do you?
And this one's $36. Is that dollars or is it like pounds? It's dollars, right? It has like a little asterisk by it. So I'm like,
yeah, no, it's $36.
Oh, product may vary. Okay, that's what I was saying. Sorry. I was like, what is the little star for? It did say the deodorant was worth $6 for the mini and $13 for the full size.
I don't know if you said it, but now you have.
You should let me try the mini, because then maybe I'll get the full size.
You can have it here.
Unless you want it. But I was like, if you've already got the full one, that's what my goal is to get a bunch of like new, yay, sharing is caring.
It can be fun.
No copyrights to that. If this video is fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to about future giveaways. I promise we'll try to do one by the end of June if we can, but it's just time's getting away from us. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.